Hey everyone, I'm Bill.
And I'm Wagner.
And we're with Cali Moto TV. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to Laguna Seca Raceway. That's right, we're here at a special track day that we haven't been here in just over a year and a half, I think. No, last year. We were here for the Ducati days last year, that's right.
That's when that happened.
That's when that happened. That's Wagner got her B2 out of the deal. But it's a little chilly like it normally is here in Monterey, but at least it's dry. So the first session is going to be a little slow going. This will be the first session. I'm going to be out on the brand new XR. Wagner will be out on the V2, but let's go ahead and walk through the collection of motorcycles that we brought and show you what we've got. So yes, I have brought, as some of you guys know, and some of you guys may think that I'm crazy to bring the HP2 Sport. This is where this bike belongs. So we're probably only gonna get a session or two out of this bike, but the HP2 Sport is here. So stay tuned for those videos. First session and a few sessions will be on the 2016 BMW S1000XR. Now this is a new to me bike, so bear with me because I will be running at about 50% probably on this thing until I get a little bit comfortable. Maybe the later in the day we'll run a bonus video, so stay tuned for this. Wagner of course has her Panigale V2 and it is chilly, so we've got it up on warmers today just to make sure that it's good and warm for her to get out there and pull some ripper laps. And well, some of you guys may be waiting for this and some of you guys might be like, wait a minute, what? That's right, this is the 2021 Ducati Monster, and we have it here on the track for what is told to me to be the first tracked monster in the US. So stay tuned for that, but I'm excited. You're excited?
Let's get geared up.
All right, let's get geared up and out for the first learning session of Laguna Seca on the S1000XR and the Panigale V2. All right, guys, well, we are ready to roll. Fog started to come in a little bit thick. Got a little bit of drizzle, so Wagner's going to set out this session just to be safe. We'll see how it goes out there, and then it's the 9 o'clock session, so the 10 o'clock session usually dries out a little bit more, but you can see the fog is getting a little heavier on that corner. So the corkscrew's typically always wet in the morning, so we'll see how it is up on the hill because we're way up on the hill there. So, but we are, of course, on the all new to us BMW S1000XR. I'm super excited about. Now, so I cleaned the bike and I ceramic coated the bike, actually graphene coated the front of the bike, and so you're probably going to see the headlight tape fly off but yeah, let's get out. All right, let's roll, guys. Out on our warm-up first lap. So of course, as always, heat in the tires, and heat in the tires is acceleration and brake. So we're gonna get a good little brake here. So we've got some moisture on the windscreen already. So today is a take it easy day. Well, at least this session is going to be a take it easy session. So stick with me. And as we kind of relearn Laguna Seca Raceway. So coming through here, we're gonna go out, brake marker here, trail brake just a little bit into here, hit that apex, that yellow curving out to the outside, and pretty much full acceleration through here. We're able to kind of clip the candy canes here, and then brake markers here, pretty slow corner. Probably first gear is not needed. So second gear. Now that's where the sound booth is. Now it is a 105 day, so we're hoping that we don't have any sound issues on any of the bikes. All the bikes actually have stock exhaust, so we should be okay. And then the famous corkscrew, and this is again, we're up a little bit higher altitude, so we want to definitely make sure that we stay okay there. Mid to inside track here, hit that apex at the yellow. Out a little bit, in a little bit, brake marker. I really am digging that Laguna did those yellow apex corners. Very, very nice. So we're gonna go ahead and not click down into first at all. So second gear. So we're aiming for the house, straight ahead. On the brakes. So I was talking to Bogna after the first ride on this thing, and I just absolutely love the brakes on this older BMW. The linked braking is so nice. The thing just kind of squats down and just handles it very well, so. We're starting to get a little bit more heat in the tires. Good acceleration here. So this is the stuff that's helping you get that heat in the tires. So right to the right, this is where our sound booth is, so we'll have to see if we end up blowing sound. Usually you guys can get a good drive up there. I'm not a big fan of that dip personally. And we're aiming for that second tree there. Again, mid-track. Short shift just a teeny bit. So he is getting off. Which is kind of our release, I think. So we're gonna be able to ripper this just a little bit. And see if we can get up to a little bit of a pace. That corner there, I have a tad of an issue with. I don't know why it's a personal issue. That weird kind of double apex is kind of a, I don't know. It's not something I'm a big fan of personally. And here we'll get a little bit more pace when we know that we're dry. We'll be able to drive out of that pretty well. Drive up this hill. Yeah, we got a little moisture, a little bit more moisture on our helmet, so I think it was a good call. Bogna was really bouncing around. Do I go or not? And I said, you know, your confidence on the track is everything, you guys. You guys have to be confident on the track. You have to be able to ride your own ride, but B, you guys have to be able to have confidence. If you guys question yourself, that's when accidents start to happen. So I believe this may be Corey Ventura in front of us. He is working with Jason Pridmore today on instructing. I think we saw him a little bit earlier. Jason Pridmore is here and doing some instructing here at the Aprilia track base. And I see that they are at VIR tomorrow. So if that's the case, then or excuse me, next weekend, next Monday. And if they are next weekend, then Jason Pridmore's out there as well. So all right, so let's go ahead and get up these straights a little bit. Lots of moisture on the windscreen. Checkered flag already, huh? All right, well, quick little warm-up session for you guys. I hope you enjoyed the quick little ripper laps around Laguna Seca, excuse me, Laguna Seca on the BMW S1000XR. Stay tuned because I'm definitely going to have this thing out on a few more sessions, so stay tuned. But let's head over to the paddock and let Bogna know she made the right choice, because I can almost not see out of my visor. So good choice, babe, good choice. Mazda, I guess I don't know what the hell to call it anymore. It's not Mazda Raceway anymore, it's WeatherTech Raceway, Laguna Seca. But I don't know, I guess for years it was Mazda Raceway Laguna Seca, and we just kind of got used to calling it that Mazda Raceway Laguna Seca. We kind of dropped that original Laguna Seca. But good little ripper, you guys, good little ripper. And that was not Corey Ventura, because Corey Ventura was over there. Good little warm-up, good little warm-up. Get familiar with the track, get acclimated, and then we're good. Babe, good choice. Yeah. She got a little wet out there. Not major, but yeah. So I'm cool. Good choice. Like I was just saying, look, don't question yourself at the track. When you question yourself at the track, you start to make mistakes. So don't question yourself at the track. Get out there and ride safe. But not too bad for the first round. It felt good. I got a few passes in, not too bad. They were kind of slow people anyways, but yeah, so it was good. All right, well, we're back at home base. Make sure you guys stay tuned. HP2 Sports here, V2. I might be able to get out on that, but the all-new 2021 Monster is here, and of course, the 2016 BMW S1000XR. Thanks for sticking around. Make sure you do the normal, hit the subscribe button, smash the like button, and then ring that bell notification for future content, because we've got a week's worth of content here at Laguna Seca. So thank you guys, and we'll see you next video. Bye, guys.